everyone, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Today, let's dive into the, I think, fascinating world of Galley Style Kitchens. So from their practical layout to their timeless appeal, I am more than positive that you have seen one. Galley kitchens have been a staple in home design for decades. So let's hang out together and explore the advantages and the disadvantages and even the characteristics of Galley style kitchens, and maybe even discover why they remain a popular choice for homeowners worldwide. So let's start by discussing the advantages of Galley style kitchens. One of the key benefits of having a Galley style kitchen is its efficient layout. With parallel countertops and workspaces, everything is going to be really within easy reach of you, making meal preparations a breeze. So Galley kitchens also maximize space, making them ideal for smaller homes and apartments. This layout is super popular in most of the apartments that we have here in the US. You always tend to see this layout of kitchen. Additionally, the linear design promotes a really smooth workflow. It's easy to get. They always say in the kitchen there is a triangle between the sink, the stove, and the refrigerator. And some kitchens, they're not necessarily in line, so you have to do a lot of walking to get to one of the three. But in a Galley style kitchen, it's a really smooth workflow. It's going to be very easy for cooking and cleaning. So with all of the good things, the pros, the advantages that we are talking about with Galley style kitchens, of course there are some disadvantages, at least to some people. One challenge is going to be limited space. It can make it difficult to accommodate multiple cooks or entertain guests while preparing meals. A lot of people that really love to entertain will have friends or family come in the kitchen with them just to kind of help out, even if it's just on a really surface level and they're just really conversing with you most of the time. But that's kind of difficult to do in a Galley style kitchen. Also, since the kitchen is on the smaller side, storage may also be a challenge for you. It can be limited, requiring really creative solutions to try to maximize cabinet and pantry space as much as you can. Galley styles are very popular in older homes, so sometimes a pantry is not available, meaning that some of the cabinet space that you have also need to be used for canned goods and chips and dip and whatever else that you keep in your pantry. Another potential downside is sometimes the lack of natural light. Even though you will see in some of these pictures that it's not a problem, the Galley style kitchen has been designed with this in mind. So there are sunroofs or really wide windows, but in some kitchens, the Galley style is almost a little dark, I guess I would say, especially in narrow Galley kitchens situated on the inside or the interior of a home. So what are some of the key characteristics of Galley style kitchens? So Galley kitchens are really characterized by their linear layout, so basically in a straight line. It's going to feature parallel countertops, so countertops on both sides, and that will also serve as your workspaces. You won't really have islands in Galley style kitchens. The design creates a clear traffic flow. You can start on one side and walk to the other side. There's almost like a flow that you take in a Galley style kitchen. And it's also going to separate the cooking area from the dining or the living space. Galley kitchens also feature really efficient storage solutions such as overhead cabinets and pull-out drawers to maximize space. Some of the most popular galley style kitchens that you may recognize, or if you're like me, sometimes I can hear a description, but I just have to see it. But it's going to be the iconic galley kitchens that you see when you think of New York City apartments. They're very compact, but yet functional kitchens, and they're known for their efficient use of space and their sleek design. Another example is the galley kitchen aboard luxury yachts. Most yachts will use this style of kitchen. And it's also an example of what to do when space is at a premium, but you don't want to compromise the style. So whether in a high-rise apartment or a seaside villa, galley kitchens continue to make a statement with their practicality and their charm. In conclusion, galley style kitchens offer just a nice blend of efficiency, functionality, and style and charm. And it really appeals to homeowners of all tastes and preferences. Of course, they are really common in smaller kitchens, but I've seen larger homes that just like the style and the layout of a galley style kitchen and decide to implement that when designing and building their home. Of course, like any other home decor style, they may have their challenges. The advantages of galley kitchens far outweigh the disadvantages for a lot of people. Whether you're looking to maximize space in a small home or even streamline your cooking workflow, galley style kitchens are a timeless choice. Okay, friends, so question of the day. Have you ever had a galley style kitchen in your home? Or if you are moving into a new home, is this a style that you would like to see? I'm leaving you with some of my favorite kitchens that I showed you in this video. I absolutely thought all of these were beautiful, and even though they were galley style, they were still filled with light. I just thought, man, how much cooking could I get done in here? So I also wanted to show you, this is a beautiful example of a galley style kitchen that is just absolutely flooded with light. So you can tell this is either a newer home or an older home that was renovated, but whoever designed it knew what they were doing. Galley style kitchens can be so dark, but this kitchen is not. It's gorgeous. Once again, friends, I really appreciate you watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. It will help me out. And if you want to see more, choose one of these videos right here. It's been great taking the time to hang with you today. I'll see you in the next one.